Google dropped Gemini 2.5 and it's completely changing how search works. Plus, they added this crazy new feature called computer use. I'm going to show you one free trick that will make Gemini cite your content instead of your competitors. No paid tools, no complicated stuff, just one simple change. And the crazy part, most people have no idea this even exists yet. So if you do this today, you're going to be way ahead of everyone else before they even figure out what's happening. Okay, so Google's new AI called Gemini 2.5 is now reading websites and deciding what content to show people. And here's the thing, it's not ranking websites the same way Google used to. There's this whole new thing called AI overviews. Basically, Gemini reads a bunch of websites, pulls out the best parts, and then puts them all together into one big answer at the top of Google. And if your content gets picked, you show up right there at the very top before anyone else. That's huge. But most people's websites are completely invisible to Gemini, and I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that in the next few minutes. This works for blog posts, YouTube videos, landing pages, whatever. And I've tested this with my own content and it works. So stick around because this is brand new and you're getting in early. All right. First thing you need to do is a quick SERP audit. This takes 10 to 20 minutes and it's going to show you exactly what Gemini sees when it looks at your keyword. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. So open up Gemini and paste this prompt. You are an SEO researcher. For the keyword, rank number 1 on Gemini 2.5 free SEO trick. Analyze the top 10 Google results. For each result list, page title, H1, main headings, H2, H3, JSON LD schema present, the short excerpt shown in search results, content type how to, list, guide, and publish date. Then give me 5 content gaps I can exploit and a recommended compact outline 5 to 7 sections that would most likely be used for an AI overview. Now hit enter and Gemini is going to do all the research for you. It's going to show you what headings the top pages are using, what schema they have, and most importantly, what gaps you can fill. Because here's the thing, AI overviews pull concise chunks from multiple pages. So if you can identify what's missing from the top results and you add that to your page, Gemini is going to grab your content instead. This is huge. And it's completely free. You're basically reverse engineering what Gemini wants to see. All right. Step 2, pick your keywords. You need 1 main keyword and 2 long tail variations. And you want phrases that have low competition, but high opportunity. So go back to Gemini and paste this prompt. Suggest 20 long-tail queries related to Gemini 2.5 SEO, group them by intent informational versus transactional, and highlight 3 low-competition, high-opportunity phrases I should target for a single tutorial video article. Include suggested title tags and 3 thumbnail hooks for the main phrase, hit enter, and boom, Gemini is going to give you 20 keyword ideas, all grouped by intent, and it's going to tell you which 3 to focus on. Plus, it's going to give you title tag ideas and thumbnail hooks. This saves you hours of work. Want to scale your business the smart way? Book a free SEO strategy session. We'll show you exactly what's working right now and how to scale it fast. Links in the comments and description. Now, here's why this matters. When you pick the right keywords and you structure your content around them, Gemini knows exactly what your page is about, and it's way more likely to pull your content into an AI overview. Now, here's where it gets really powerful. You're going to add FAQ schema to your page. This is basically code that tells Gemini, hey, this is a question and this is the answer. So going back to Gemini and paste this prompt, create FAQ schema for a page about Gemini 2.5 SEO with 5 common questions and concise answers. Output as JSON LD code, ready to paste into my website head section. Copy the code, paste it into the head section of your website, and you're done. Now, when someone searches for one of those questions, your content shows up. This is super powerful and almost nobody's doing it yet. Okay, now here's the advanced move. Gemini 2.5 has this new thing called computer use. It can actually browse websites like a person. It can click buttons, type into forms, take screenshots, and that means it can see your page the way a real user would, not just the code. So here's what you do. Go to Gemini and paste this prompt. Load this URL and then paste your page URL. Take full page screenshots and then list the 5 text blocks you think an AI overview would extract. Return the headline, a 40 to 60 word summary for each block. List any missing schema or accessibility issues you detect. and suggest exact, concise rewrites, one sentence each for the 3 blocks that would make them more AI extractable. Now hit enter. And Gemini is going to show you exactly what it sees. It's going to screenshot your page, tell you which parts it would extract, and tell you what's missing. This is insane because now you can see your page through Gemini's eyes and you can fix any issues before you publish. So if your best content is buried at the bottom, move it to the top. If your headings are unclear, make them clearer. And if you're missing schema, add it, because Gemini is looking at your page visually now. So if it looks messy or cluttered, Gemini is going to skip it. You want clean, you want clear, you want structured, and you want your best information right at the top. All right, now let's talk about your video, because here's the thing. Gemini doesn't just look at blog posts. It's also pulling from YouTube. So if you make a video about the same topic and you do it right, you can show up twice, once in the AI overview with your blog post and once in the video results with your YouTube video. That's double the traffic. So here's the prompt you're going to use. Go to Gemini and paste this. Write an engaging YouTube script for an 8-minute video titled Rank Number 1 on Gemini 2.5 Free SEO Trick. Start with a 12-second hook, then 30-second intro, who you are plus promise, then 5 sections corresponding to the page outline, each section 60 to 90 seconds, end with 20-second CTA. Include on-screen text callouts and 3 suggested B-rolls per section. Tone, friendly, fast, tactical, output timestamps, and a short TLDR for the description. Hit enter and Gemini's going to write your entire script for you. With timestamps, with B-roll suggestions, with everything. Now here's the key. Your video needs to match your blog post structure. Same headings, same key points, because when Gemini sees that your video and your blog post are about the same thing, it knows you're an authority, and it's way more likely to rank both. Plus, you want to use on-screen text for your main points, because Gemini can actually read that text in your video now. So if you've got your main keyword in the video title, in the description, and on screen in the video itself, you're way more likely to get picked. This is massive. All right. Here's the thing you need to remember. Gemini is looking for authority signals. It wants clear author bios. It wants links to credible sources. It wants schema markup. If you're just copying and pasting generic content, Gemini is not going to trust you. But if you've got original insights, real examples, and clear structure, you're golden. And here's the other thing. Gemini is getting smarter every single day. So the sooner you do this, the better. Because in 6 months, everyone's going to be doing this, and it's going to be way harder to stand out. But right now, most people don't even know this exists. So you've got a massive head start. Just go do it. And if you're serious about scaling your business fast, book a free SEO strategy session. We'll show you exactly what's working right now and how to scale it fast. Links in the comments and description. Also, if you want to learn the exact systems we're using to scale past 8 figures with AI and SEO, check out SEO Elite Circle. Rank number 1. Get more customers, make money with AI SEO. That link's in the description too. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment if you've got questions, and I'll see you in the next one.